Klipsch speakers have impressed the audio world since the company's inception in 1946, and the tradition of continually releasing new, innovative hardware has continued for the past 78 years. In recent years, Klipsch has branched out from passive floor standing and bookshelf speakers into making powered and portable Bluetooth speakers. I've listed the 5 best Klipsch speakers 2024 and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Be sure to check that the products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end. So now coming up with number 5. Klipsch Reference Premier. RP8000F2 is big, bold, and beautiful, delivering a crisper, clearer sound with its larger 90° x 90° silicone composite hybrid Tractrix horn. The exclusive linear travel suspension, LTS, titanium diaphragm tweeter minimizes distortion, ensuring every genre shines with detailed performance. Its vented tweeter design enhances sharpness, making movies and music immersive. The all-new Cerametallic woofers provide flawless sound reproduction, with powerful yet controlled bass. Utilizing Tractrix geometry, the ports allow for efficient air transfer, resulting in a cleaner, more powerful bass. Bi-wiring and bi-amping capabilities separate high and low frequency currents, reducing distortion for a clearer mid-range. An advanced cabinet design with additional bracing minimizes vibrations, while furniture-grade materials and a removable magnetic grille offer both elegance and flexibility. Though its size may overwhelm smaller spaces and positioning can be tricky, the performance and build quality justify the investment. The Klipsch Reference Premier RP8000F2 stands tall among competitors with superior sound quality, innovative features, and sleek design, making it a must-have for serious audiophiles looking to elevate their audio experience. Number 4. Klipsch Nashville is a bold, brilliant Bluetooth speaker that revolutionizes portable sound. Customizing your audio experience is effortless with the Klipsch Connect app, allowing EQ tweaks and easy firmware updates. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures you stay connected up to 40 feet away, providing stable, drop-free playback. Its 24-hour battery life supports marathon music sessions, perfect for road trips or home use. Broadcast mode lets you link up to 10 speakers, turning any gathering into an event. Charging is swift with 18-watt USB-C, and reverse USB-C functionality saves the day when your phone needs a quick charge. Answering calls is seamless with the built-in microphone, pausing music for easy transitions. Durability is top-notch, boasting an IP67 rating, making it dust-proof and water-resistant up to a meter for 30 minutes. Although slightly bulkier than some portables and with sound that might leave audiophiles wanting more depth. The Klipsch Nashville impresses with its features and rugged build. It's ideal for those seeking quality sound and durability. For anyone needing a speaker that matches an active lifestyle with top-notch audio, the Klipsch Nashville is a must-consider. Number 3. Klipsch Flexus. Core 200 isn't just another soundbar, it's a revelation. The collaboration with Onkyo brings decades of reliable tech and manufacturing expertise, resulting in consistently great sound. The 3.1.2 channel setup with Dolby Atmos creates an immersive, multi-dimensional sound, making movies and games come alive. 4. 2.25. Ceramic drivers ensure clear mids and highs, while dual 4 built-in subwoofers deliver rich bass without the need for an external subwoofer, keeping setups clean. Dialogue clarity is exceptional, thanks to a dedicated horn-loaded tweeter that makes every word audible. Connectivity is seamless with patented Klipsch transport technology, allowing easy expansion with Flexus surrounds or a Flexus subwoofer. While its size might be a consideration, the performance justifies the extra space. The immersive sound quality, a blend of intense bass and clear dialogue, is the highlight. In summary, the Klipsch Flexus Core 200 sets a new standard for soundbars, combining exceptional acoustics, innovative technology, and practical design. Serious about home entertainment. This soundbar is worth every penny. Number 2. Klipsch Austin rocks your world with its mini powerhouse delivering big sound in a small package. Its 2 full-range driver and dual passive radiators offer impressive audio with deep, resonating bass and rich clarity. Bluetooth 5.3 technology lets you roam up to 40 feet without losing connection, making it perfect for outdoor activities and parties. The Klipsch Connect app allows easy EQ adjustments, over-the-air firmware updates, and support, enhancing the user experience with up to 12 hours of battery life. This speaker keeps the music playing all day, and its 18-watt USB-C fast charging and reverse USB-C functionality provide quick power and the ability to recharge your phone. Broadcast mode connects multiple Klipsch Music City speakers for a surround sound experience, ideal for gatherings. The built-in strap ensures portability, easily attaching to your bag or bike, while the deepest bass notes can occasionally feel muddy at maximum volume. This minor issue pales in comparison to the speaker's overall performance and features. The Klipsch Austin combines stellar sound quality, excellent connectivity, and long battery life, making it a fantastic choice for a high-performing portable speaker. Check out the Klipsch Austin and bring the music capital's energy to your fingertips. Number 1. Klipsch The Nines are powered speakers that promise to transform your listening experience with their powerful sound. Featuring an 8-inch long-throw woofer and high-performance digital signal processing (DSP) and bi-amplification technology, these speakers deliver rich, powerful bass at any volume. The custom-engineered built-in amplifier eliminates the need for an audio receiver, offering stellar sound quality straight out of the box. Supporting 192 Hz, a 24-bit decoding. Through all digital inputs, the Nines reproduce high-resolution audio with impressive clarity and depth. The titanium tweeters with Tractrix horns ensure crisp, clean high frequencies, making vocals and instruments sound lifelike. With 240 watts of total system power and a 480-watt peak, these speakers easily fill a room with rich, dynamic sound. Connectivity options abound, including HDMI ARC, Bluetooth 5, digital optical, analog RCA, USB inputs, and a subwoofer output, making it easy to switch between devices. While their hefty size might pose a challenge in smaller spaces, the exceptional sound quality is worth the trade-off. In summary, Klipsch. The Nines deliver a powerful, high-quality audio experience with convenient connectivity options, making them a top choice for serious audiophiles. So that's wrapping our list of the 5 best Klipsch speakers 2024. I trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best Klipsch speakers. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which Klipsch speaker you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.